Hey guys, great job getting your milestone 2 in on time. I appreciate that. All of them have been graded. So our next thing is milestone 3. It's an outline. And you may be asking, why do we have to do an outline? Why does that matter? Well, one of the things I had shared with you guys during our very first time together is that it's very important to be able to communicate clearly, and we're going to make you really good writers in this program. And part of being a good writer is organizing your thoughts and making sure that all of the information is included, that it's clear, it's concise, and the very best way to do that is to use an outline before you write anything. So please be sure to review the example I shared. I encourage you to really put a lot of thought and effort into this outline. If you do a great job on the outline, the paper is going to write itself. So just know this is kind of the go slow to go fast. And if you really put your time into your outline and think about the meal plan that we've talked about before and how you might use that to structure your outline, this will go very, very quickly. So I'm trying to give you the tools to help give you the foundation to be extremely successful in all of your writing and all of your classes and also at work. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask. Thanks.